Hey, how's it going? Welcome to my newest listing at 421 South Benjamin Street here in Stillwater, Oklahoma. That's right, home of the Oklahoma State Cowboys, and this place is gorgeous. You are gonna love this place. It is a beautiful little house. I love the cedar accents. It is 4 bedrooms, 2 bath, over 1,600 square feet, 1,630 square feet. And it is killer. There's lots of character in this place. You're gonna absolutely love it. So without further ado, let's get cracking, guys. Let's go take a look and see what we got here. So you'll notice we're coming up onto the house. We've got this great deck. I love the cedar accents, like I mentioned. It is just a great deck for sitting. Absolutely love it. Look at this. You've got all the space over here as well. You got the little eave, the covering for the door. Now let's go take a look inside. Inside is great. So, yeah. All right, so you walk in, you got this nice, large living space here. I like the brick panels that they put on, super nice. Great theme throughout the house. You're gonna see a lot of splashes of color, some good character. So you've got the brick panel goes all the way around. So nice. I love this space. It's a lot of seating. Like there's a lot of furniture in here and it doesn't feel overcrowded. It's got a great space, so that's super nice. All right, so turning here, we've got this beautiful kitchen. I love the spindles, super nice. I like this little archway here that we've got, you can kind of see, but it's green. You guys know I'm a sucker for green. So we've got a nice island right here, tile top, and then you have the rest of this counter space. You got the sink, the range. We've got some pantry space, I'm sorry, laundry or water heater. And then we have pantry space here. Just a great layout of a kitchen, nice and wide open with the living on this backside. I might also mention that all the appliances in this house stay. So your fridge, your microwave, your range, your dishwasher, laundry washer and dryer all stay. So we have bedrooms down the hall, but check out this two-tone. I think it is so cool. But let's get after it. Let's go take a look. So we're gonna take a left to the first bathroom. So this is the bathroom and laundry combo, but look at this killer wall. So cool. I love the character it has. You've got like tile floor here. You've got a tub shower combo. You got your laundry. So those are gonna stay. Open shelving. Just a great bathroom and laundry combo. It's a good size space. So all right, moving on to the next room. This is the master bedroom. So we've got this large bedroom here. It's a good space. Yeah, good space for a bedroom. It's just big. It's a big room, plenty of room for furniture, king size bed. We have got the closet. So there's a nice closet right here, as you see. Love the colorways they went with here. So we got the closet there. Directly across, we have bathroom, but you're gonna see like upgraded HVAC controls. Looks like a pretty new Linux unit. So really good HVAC. So now we're gonna go into the bathroom that's right across from the master. Look at the floors. Love the Harlequin floors, the checkerboard pattern. Super cool. We've got the vanity. Let's go. So we've got the vanity right there. It's got a corner shower unit. And in this particular bathroom, it Jack and Jill's with the next bedroom. So you can open it. See, we've got a nice little Jack and Jill setup. So moving along from here, going to the next room, we've got, still going in this hall, we have got bedroom number 3 now, if you're keeping track. Bedroom number 3, pretty good space here. You have got ceiling fan, carpet, good size room, big enough for a queen size bed. We've got a closet here, nice storage closet. So that's bedroom number 3 here. So bedroom, we're heading across the hall. It's great because you just bounce back and forth on the halls. This is bedroom number 3. So this is the bedroom that Jack and Jilled with the bathroom, and I'll get there. But you've got all of this space here. They've got it set up as a closet, and honestly, I'm here for it. It works. So we've got bedroom, then we've got closet. So you get a nice spacious closet for the closet room. For the closet bedroom. And then, like I said, Jack and Jill's with this bathroom. So you can walk through, kind of a pretty good layout. I like that. So moving along, like I said, almost back at it. We just hit that room. So here's bedroom number 4. Now bedroom number 4 is kind of like a flex space. It's off the back of the house. There's an exterior entrance on it. But it does have a closet. So you've got a little fridge there. You've got this closet here, but really a good space as far as another room goes. So if you wanted to use it for 4th bedroom or, just a bonus space, another living, mud room, it's got a ton of possibility for it. So now we're going to go outside and check out the back deck, and the back deck is killer. We also got some 4-legged friends here. What's up, guys? How are ya? So in the back deck here, it is great. We got a little storage shed, and then we have this beautiful seating area here. Got the chimenea. Just a great space to hang out, chill, relax, and then, plenty of room for the grills, everything you need. So this backyard is terrific here. Plenty of space for you guys, right? Yeah, I think the consensus is yes. So let's go back in and chat and recap about it. But this house is coming on market to Stillwater, Oklahoma, just here this week, probably tomorrow. Super excited about it, super cute. You've got all of this character. The colors are fun. Love the green, love the orange and white. Maybe that's a nod to the Oklahoma State Cowboys. But so this house, we just had pictures taken of it today. So should get those back and up ASAP. So we're gonna set this camera right here and let's recap on this place. So like I mentioned, this is 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms. You could use the 4th bed as a flex space, whatever you want. Over 1,600 square feet, 1,630 square feet. Here in Stillwater, Oklahoma, you've got this super cute cedar deck on the front porch and the back porch. Lots of character throughout this house. Love the paint colors. Love everything about it. That bathroom, the big combo bathroom with the laundry, terrific. You have got this, like I said, the cedar accents. I love the dark roof. I love the dark cabinet or dark siding. Kitchen and living room, great spaces, get back and forth. That master bedroom is huge, just huge. And then you also have the Jack and Jill bedroom, bathroom. So all in all, terrific space. So coming to Stillwater this week at 421 South Benjamin Street, Stillwater, Oklahoma. Asking price will be $165,000. So hey, check this thing, watch it to hit on market. If you have any questions, ask them in the comments, DM me, call me, whatever you need. I am Kaleb Wright. I'm the Real Estate Rhino, and I'll see you on the next one.